What's up, everyone? Nick at MarineMax in Cross Lake here, showing you a 2023 GS22. This beautiful anthracite gray flake with the canary yellow accent and that flat gray bottom. On the stern of the boat, we got these nice transom seats with an audio control, as well as a non-skid swim platform. All right, now we're topside on the boat. On each of these sides, we have above floor ballast. Now this boat does have the ZZ6 engine for 450 horsepower. Capacity is 15 people on this boat. Your ballast is at 2,950 pounds, so plenty of ballast. This is the all-around boat in the Nautique line. Redesigned hull in 2023, so it gives you a little bit better surf without compromising your ski experience as well. So as we step into the boat here, you'll notice we've got LED lit cup holders on each side. They're RBG, so you get plenty of good vibes of all sorts of different colors. We do have the flight control tower, that nice newly designed bimini top that is so popular. And of course, with all these Nautiques, we have these really nicely designed rear-facing seats on each side. Trash compartment, along with our Nautique cooler as well. On the passenger side, we have this extended storage space. Obviously, you can see it fits the cover very nicely. We have a 12-inch sub in there as well. JL audio speakers throughout this entire boat that you'll notice. So, top-end quality speakers. Also on the passenger side of this boat, we have our audio control, JL audio system and head unit, 12-volt charger, USB and USB-C chargers as well, and a wireless phone charger. Now we're on the helm side of this boat. We have that nice bolster seat so you can get a good view over the top of the windshield. Power controls for our tower. And then we've got the nice Link Panorama 12.4-inch touchscreen that's going to enhance that driving experience of this boat. Very wide bow makes it really nice to be able to lounge in this boat. Very easy. Cup holders, again, LED cup holders throughout. And your JL audio speakers in the front as well too. So we've got storage under each of these seats in the front of the boat. You can check this boat out on our website at MarineMax.com, ccboatworks.com, and you can of course come by, check it out, we'll put it on the water for you and get you a test.